Hey, crypto fam! Welcome back to Next Gen Crypto. So, you're thinking about trading crypto in 2026, but you don't want to deal with centralized exchanges, the ones that hold your coins and sometimes freeze withdrawals. Today, I'm breaking down the best decentralized exchanges, or DEXs, for long-term crypto traders like you, and I'll explain why these platforms are going to matter more than ever in 2026. Let's get into it. First, let's clear one thing. Why even bother with a DEX? Centralized exchanges are fine, but they control your coins, charge higher fees, and sometimes get hacked. DEXs are different. You stay in control of your own money, trade directly from your wallet, and access new coins before they hit big exchanges. By 2026, this is going to be the normal way serious traders operate. Uniswap is basically the OG DEX. If you've ever traded an Ethereum token, there's a high chance it started on Uniswap. Here's why it's still one of the best for 2026. Tons of liquidity for almost any token. Very secure, battle-tested over years, supports anyone launching new Ethereum tokens, so you can catch projects early. If you want a reliable, all-around DEX, Uniswap is your go-to. Next up is PancakeSwap, which runs on Binance Smart Chain. Why it's great? Transactions are cheap and fast. Unlike Ethereum, where gas fees can eat your profits, you can stake, farm, and earn rewards while trading. Tons of fun community-driven features. If you're looking for a DEX that's easy on your wallet and gives extra rewards, PancakeSwap is perfect for long-term users. And here's a DEX that's a little different, GMX. It's designed for advanced trading, like leveraged and derivatives trading, but it's still fully decentralized. Why GMX is important for 2026? Gives you trading options that most DEXs don't, keeps your funds in your wallet, not on a platform. Perfect if you want more control and flexibility while trading crypto. Think of GMX as the pro-level DEX for traders who want both power and security. When you start using DEXs, always connect your wallet safely like MetaMask, Ledger, or Trust Wallet. Check gas fees before every trade. Try different DEXs to explore new opportunities. DEXs are super powerful, but smart habits keep your crypto safe. So, which DEX are you planning to use in 2026? Uniswap, PancakeSwap, or GMX? Comment below. I want to hear your pick. If you want more crypto guides, hidden gems, and long-term strategies, make sure to subscribe to Next Gen Crypto. Thanks for watching, and remember, stay decentralized, trade smart, and keep your crypto safe.